Hello friends, my name is Ghulam Abbass, and in this video we will talk about Postman mock servers. So the mock servers are the servers which you can just make without working on the backend. So let's say you are working on a project and you are working on the front end side, and some other guys working on the back end side. You are waiting for them to finish the APIs which you can just use in your front end application. So what you can do is that you can make fake APIs. The fake APIs are called mock servers, right? So I'll show you how you can do that. You can just install the Postman desktop, or you can use the Postman on your browser as well. So once you are logged in, you can click here mock servers, and then you can click here create a new mock server, create a new collection. Okay, click here, and then let's say we want a collection for cars and bikes. So the first collection I'm gonna make is for car. Okay, and then I'm gonna click here next. So here are some other options. You can set delays for your request, and you can just make your mock server private. You can just check here as well, but I'm using the public server for now. Okay, the name of the mock server is vehicles. Okay, and then create a mock server. So what this will do is that this will give us a URL for our server. So this is the URL of our server, right? And the other thing it does is that we have a collection here, and we have a collection for vehicles as well. Inside the vehicle we have a car request, and we have some default data. So I will tell you what are these three. And if I go next here, on the environments, we have an environment for vehicles. If I click here, we have a URL, and the value of the URL is our server URL, right? So if I go back here on my collections, and inside my vehicles we have one request. So the URL of our server, so it says that unresolved vehicle, because we are not using any environment. We have to use the environment for our vehicle collection, right? So if I click here, and if I go back here, it says that this is the URL for your mock server, and slash car is the complete URL. If I send request, it will show me nothing, because this is my default response. If I click default response, you can just add JSON or anything you like. So let's say we have the car request, so the response should be some cars, right? We can write here Audi, and we can write here Honda, and Bugatti. Okay, so let's save it and go back to your request. So this is the request, this is the response, right? So the response is this is our request. So if I send the command again, so it worked, right? I got this response. So we have just created a fake APIs, and we are getting this response. You can use this URL inside your application, and once your backend is ready, you can just replace by the actual server URL. Meanwhile, you can test your application with these mock servers. So if I go back here, go to environments, vehicles, and I want to copy my server URL, and I want to open the Safari browser, and then here I'm gonna paste it /car and enter. So you see that it is secure, and then we got a response for our cars, right? We have this Audi, Bugatti, and Honda. So let's say you want to make another request. You can go here inside your collections, inside vehicles, click on this, duplicate, and here we are going to rename it to bike, and click on this request, rename the URL as well, bike, save it, and then for the response we need something like bikes, right? So I don't know much about bikes. Let's say bike 1, bike 2. Actually I remember one bike, Ninja Ninja h2. Okay, cool. Okay, save it, and we are going to rename this as well, bike. Save it. If I open my browser and if I click here and I write bike, so I got the bikes, right? If I go back here, I write car, so I got the cars here. So this is our server URL, and we can just make any request. So this is really cool thing. This is very so this is also free to use. You can just use these mock servers in your app while your backend is in development, so you can fast track your development of your project. So this is all about the mock servers. I hope you like my video. You can share with your friends and like this video, subscribe my channel, and I will be waiting for you to watch my new video. Thank you.